Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can convert a task or chore in your Sunsama workspace into an objective. So let us dive into this. So navigate to the Sunsama application and browse through your calendar and navigate to the tasks. So I will go with this one here, scheduled for Saturday, February 28th. Click into it. And what you want to do next is click into these three dots in the top right and select Align with Objective, or you use the shortcut R. And after that, you will see that menu here, Align with Object. So here you may assign the task, for example, to a weekly objective like this one or that one, or you can turn the task itself into an objective itself. So click into this button, and after that, the task will be added to that list of weekly objectives for the given week, so that you may mark it as complete by clicking into this button. You will see the start and due date, the channel or context, and so on, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.